How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be talking about the future of Tesla stock. The stock has once again risen 7% at the height. It was almost up 10% today, or it just barely reached 10% up today, which is crazy. Tesla stock has been doing crazy lately. It actually reached this point, but now once again it has gone back to its height of around 950, around that area. And it seems like it's actually going to close at this amount today. So there are a few news, and we're going to be talking about the future of Tesla stock. What is going to be the future? What can we possibly foresee? Obviously, this year we are going to be getting the Model Y release, as well as the we're going to be getting more news on the Roadster, stuff like that. And the Model Y release could be astronomically crazy for Tesla. I feel like there hasn't been that much crazy news over the last day, but it's just still been going up. But we're going to be talking about what the news actually did happen that there was. First, they announced some more. They didn't really announce it, but there's a surge of solar power expectations. So Tesla's solar business, part of the business, is expected to do better. The actual analyst, one analyst raised the stock price, and then another analyst, I think two analysts raised their stock prices, which is why it has basically seen this surge. So I personally think that we may see by the end of this year over $1,000 Tesla share for sure. By the end of this year, I wouldn't be surprised whatsoever. So this is another target boost. So an analyst basically said that he expects it to reach $928 a share, and it basically reached that. It passed that today, actually. But now market's about to close. If not, it's already closed by the time you guys are watching this, or by the time it uploads. So the height of it was about 940, and right now it's around 918, 917. And it'll be interesting to see what happens within the next few days. So they basically said that they expect to see more batteries and solar power products, and then it's only 6% of their sales, but they expect that to rise. And other than that, there hasn't been that much short-term news on Tesla stock. So if we go back here, man, this stock has just been in a crazy rally. If you go a month ago, it was at 550, and now it's basically 950 in just 1 month, almost doubling in a month. It has tripled in a year, so that is more than that, actually. So that is just insane for any stock. And I with the Model Y, if you actually go to like how many people are talking about it, if you go to like the Reddit or like the questions that people have about the Model Y, there's so much demand on like an SUV that's Tesla's, because the Model X is just out of anyone's budget. I mean, not anyone, obviously, most people's budget. So the Model Y could be a huge success, but that is at some sort already valued into the stock price. I personally think for sure it will hit $1,000 in the first half of this year. I personally think, and then other than that, as it goes on within the next 3 to 5 years, I'm gonna be holding this stock, and I do think it might reach $2,000, if not talking market cap perspective. I would say at least a $250 billion market cap within the next 2 to 5 years, easily. That's easily. And if the stock price goes to 3,000, we can actually see the market cap basically triple, right? So if it triples, you can see basically $500 billion market cap. So right now, if you're still trying to get into the stock, I mean, I personally wouldn't. I would never buy at the height of anything. I mean, technically it's not the height right now, but I would personally wait. I know a lot of people, especially on YouTube, actually sold when it went up a lot, and then they bought back at the 700s, which is a really good buy, but it's also could have been pretty risky as well. But yeah, that is that. Now, like I said, the stock rallies without much news at all. Now, what I personally think in the short-term future is that the stock may dip after the first quarter earnings, just because the first quarter is also always the worst quarter for any motor company, and it may dip within that first quarter. But I do think by the end of this year, it's gonna rally back up easily to 1,000. 1,200 will be my normal case scenario. Will be my normal good case scenario. And then I would say the best case scenario would be around 1,500. That would be the best case scenario at the end of this year, which is like everything has to go perfectly. Like the Model Y has to just explode and stuff like that. But I do think easily 1,000 to 1,200 will be my guess for the end of this year. I've kept the stock for like basically 2018. Actually, I bought the stock and I've just been holding it. Nothing's been going on, but recently, man, it's just been crazy. So if you guys have the stock, you guys are definitely very happy right now. But yeah, that is that. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. Like I said, there hasn't been much news today, but man, the stock will just keep going up. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys subscribe to this channel, I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers by the first half of this year, and hopefully 1,000 by the end of this year. So if you guys can help me reach that goal, that would be really appreciated. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.